We got PJ doing complete engine replacement on a customer's 99 or 2000 Tacoma, four-wheel drive, four-cylinder. This is what's called a 3RZ. It's a 2.7 liter four-cylinder. And this is found on like 95 to 2004 Tacoma, and really obscure in a four-cylinder 4Runner. We don't really see a lot of those, but this customer came in, smoke from the tailpipe, misfire, and we found that cylinder one was filling with coolant. Confident and we could do a head job on it, pull it off, do head gasket, and we'd be good to go. When we actually pulled the head off of the engine that's in his vehicle right now, in his Tacoma, we found it had a bent rod. And we know that because when you disassemble the engine, we put cylinder one on top dead center. That means bringing the piston all the way to the top. And when we pull the head off, cylinder one is sitting, the piston in cylinder one is sitting lower than cylinder four. Cylinder one and cylinder four, in this four-cylinder engine, are companion cylinders. That means they move up and down simultaneously. So if one is sitting lower than the other, we know it's a problem. What we found is that a bent rod. This happened because the head gasket failed. It filled the cylinder with coolant, and Hydrolock's 101 states you can't compress a liquid, you can only compress gases. So if we can't compress liquid, what happened? It bent the rod. And the only repair for that is replacing the rod. It wasn't cost effective, wasn't feasible for this customer. So we ordered up an engine. Shout out to JDM Seattle. They are our #1 go-to. Hugo over there takes care of us all the time. I love that guy. So what's up, Hugo? JDM Seattle, this is an engine from them. We are now disassembling this engine and converting it to US spec, so it's going to have California emissions, EGR. We're putting it back to stock. You will not even know this engine has been imported.